Hello everyone, today we're diving into a hands-on review of the Fifine M9 Lavalier mic. This was sent to me by Fifine in exchange for an honest review, and as always, all opinions are my own. First inside the box is your user's manual. Here's your 3.5mm TRS to USB-C cable, one 3.5mm TRRS to 3.5mm TRS, one cable for your DSLR camera, 3.5mm TRS to 3.5mm TRS. It comes with two furry windscreen or dead cat, 1 foot charging cable. It comes with a carrying bag. It is nice touch nylon material, zipper closure, and just enough room to keep everything organized for on-the-go shoots. Here's the charging case that uses USB-C cable to charge. This can fit all your two transmitters and one receiver at the same time. Now let's take a look at one of the transmitter mic. Here's the noise cancellation button with light indicator, one pairing button. Each mic has a strong clip with 6 pins. Here's the condenser mic capsule. Here's your mute and power button. Make sure to remove the tape on the mic charging port to start charging. Now let's look at the receiver. Here's the main power button. Here's the A and B mic volume controls. The receiver has a small display that shows connection status and audio levels. The pairing is really easy. Just take the mics out of the charging case and they auto reconnect to the receiver. If the mic doesn't connect, which never happened to me yet, you can also press the pair button on both receiver and mic. When the charging is in progress, it will also show you the battery level of your charging case. Now let's go ahead and test it and connect the receiver to my DJI Pocket 3. Right now I'm currently using the Fifine M9 lavalier mic. You can use one mic or both mics at a time. The wireless mics and receiver will automatically pair when you turn them on next time. Please take the clear adhesive tape off the microphones in the receiver before using. I'm gonna turn on the noise cancellation now. Now it's already on. You can use one mic or both mics at a time. The wireless mics and receiver will automatically pair when you turn them on next time. Please take the clear adhesive tape off the microphones and the receiver before using. Okay, now I do have a windscreen on. I'm gonna turn on the. I'm gonna take this and put it in front of me. Check my check. I'm directly in front of my portable fan. You can use one mic of both mics at a time. The wireless mics and receiver will automatically pair when you turn them on next time. Please take the clear adhesive tape off the microphones and the receiver before using. Without the windscreen, I'm gonna read the tip again. You can use one mic or both mics at a time. The wireless mics and receiver will automatically pair when you turn them on next time. I'm now recording with the M9 lavalier mic using my S25 Ultra. Noise cancellation on. I am now using the Fifine M9 lavalier mic, and I got the noise cancellation on. I'm using the S25 Ultra. I'm recording with my S25 Ultra microphone. Let me know what you guys think. Is it better than the Fifine microphone? Let's go. Now let's test it. Let me know if you guys can hear it. I'm using the Lavalier M9 mic attached to my helmet right in front of me without the. Recording. I hope you guys can still hear me. It's so windy right here. Riding my e-bike. Now I'm back. So my the mic is still attached to my helmet. Riding my e-bike. Heading towards the same direction. It's good that nobody stole it. Let me know if you guys can hear me. Now I can see the camera. I don't know what you guys think. It's windy without the windshield. Windscreen, I should say, without the windscreen. Let me know what you guys think. According to the distance calculator app from Google Map, the distance is about 120-230 feet till the signal stops transmitting, so that is more than the expected 100 feet in the specs. My e-bike without the windscreen, without the dead cat. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it sounds. Let me know what you guys think. With the noise beside me, I'm nearby freeway. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2. How does it sound? Check 1, 2, 3. Let me know what you guys think. Let's go for another ride. I hope it's still recording. I hope you guys can still hear me with the mic, with the windscreen. I'm under the bridge. I'm still using the DJI Pocket 3, using the M9 lavalier mic. Cars right on the freeway. Let me know what you guys think of the sound. Check 1, 2, 3 with the windscreen lavalier M9. Fifine lavalier M9. Now I'm recording without the windscreen. Let me know what you guys think. Going back. I'm still beside the freeway. There's a lot of cars passing by. Let me know what you guys think. Without the windscreen. Riding my e-bike. The mic is attached to my helmet. I'm using the Fifine M9 lavalier mic. The mic is still attached to my helmet. There's a lot of cars passing by. I'm right beside the freeway. Let me know what you guys think. Riding my e-bike. Fifine M9 lavalier mic attached to my helmet. Let's go ahead and test it one more time. It's a noise cancellation on test with the Fifine M9 lavalier mic. Let me know what you guys think. Noise cancellation on. Let me know what you guys think about the sound quality. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. This is the Fifine M9 lavalier mic. This is a sound test. Noise reduction off because turning on noise reduction actually makes it sound bad. It sounds like I'm in the water. Testing the F9. Oh, it's windy. F9. Fifine lavalier mic. Check 1, 2, 3. Bin noise reduction off. Check 1, 2, 3. Check 1, 2, 3. Let me know what you guys think. After testing the mic during the ride, I didn't even have to worry about the battery because of the charging case. I tested the range while riding my e-bike with my DJI Pocket 3. Using Google Maps to estimate distance, I started losing signal around 120 feet. Not lab accurate, but it gives you a good idea of how far this system can go before audio drops. For most vlog setups, interviews, or walk and talks, that's plenty. So talking about the pros, it is easy auto pairing out of the case. It is clear audio with good sensitivity. It has a long battery life with charging case. It is compact and lightweight. It works across multiple devices. I can use it with my DJI Pocket 3, S25 Ultra, and my Sony a7 III. One more thing I like about it is the carrying bag. It is a perfect size for travel with all its accessory cables that came with it. The only cons I can think of is the noticeable noise cancellation audio quality. I don't think I will be using this feature because every time I turn it on, my audio would sound like I'm under the water. I think this is something Fifine should improve on their next lavalier mic. But other than that, I think for its price, it's a solid dual mic system that delivers clear audio, easy setup, and enough range for most creators. If you're filming in apartments, outdoors, or on the move like I do, this kit checks a lot of boxes. Just be mindful of the noise cancellation feature. Overall, I'd say it's a great budget-friendly option for vloggers, interviewers, and family-focused creators like myself. If you want to check out the M9 wireless lavalier mic, link is in the description below. Thanks again to Fifine for sending this over. That's it for this video, and I'll see you in my next video.